Hello guys, I am Asif from Answer Tutorial. Today we shall start exercise 1.1 of your mathematics textbook of NCERT. The first question here is find the HCF of 135 and 225. It is written like that. Guys, here since 225 is greater than 135. So guys, using Euclid's algorithm, that is A equals BQ plus R, here we have in place of A 225. 225 equals, what is B? B will be the next number which is given in the question itself, 130, that is smaller of these two. So 135 into Q, from where we shall get Q? Here you have to divide 225 by 135. Okay guys, 135 1 135 and remainder is 90. So 135 you can see into 1. So 135 into 1 plus whatever remainder is left you can write. This is the first step. Guys, we have to do this continuously till we get the remainder 0. So here we should write, since remainder is not equal to 0. So we have to proceed further to the next step. Next step will be, guys, 90 will become the new divisor and 135 will become the new dividend here. 90 ones are again 90 and this is how much? 45 is remainder now. So now this asks this gentleman 225 to go away, get out, and call 135. Call this 135 here in place of 225 and make this remainder 90 as the new divisor from here. See, they are the divisor. The left side of this our division method, what is written is divisors. So 90 into, you can see here 90 into 1 again, 90 into 1 plus whatever is left remainder that we shall write here. Again, this remainder is not equal to 0, so we have to move to next step. Next step is ask this gentleman 135 to get out and call this 90 here in place of 135 and again you divide this, make 45 as new divisor and divide 90 by 45. So 45 2s are 90, so remainder is 0. That is our last step because we got the remainder 0. So 45 into 2. So 45 into 2. How much it is? 90. So it equals plus remainder is 0. Okay guys, here we can see the 45 is the last divisor here. See here, this was number 1 divisor. Here number 1, it is number 2 and it is number 3 and last. So you don't have to count this, but you have to see only last, which is the last divisor. So since you can write here, since last divisor is 45, therefore HCF of 135 and 225 is equal to 45. This is the answer. Okay guys. So guys, second part of this question is finding out HCF of 196 and 38220. Similarly, since 38220 is greater than 196, so we shall divide 38220 by 196 using Euclid's algorithm. Okay guys, so let us proceed. Here in place of A we shall write 38220 equals, in place of B we will write 196 into what? We will find out now. 196 will divide 38220. So guys, here it is simple division. Let us do it. 196 ones are 196, here 6, 8, is it not, and 1. Then take this 2 here, it is 196, 9 it will come, you can check. I'm not going to teach you how to divide, it will come 1674, sorry 1764. So here 8 and 9, then take this 0, it is 980, and 196 5 will give you 980, and the remainder is 0. So guys, there is no second step even here. So this is 196 into 195, and remainder is 0. So in first step we got the answer. What is the answer here? The answer is 196. Guys, remember, in while finding HCF of two numbers, this is the answer and not this. This is the answer because this is the divisor. Okay guys, so you can write here, since remainder here equals 0, therefore HCF of 196 and 38220 is equal to 190. I will write here equals 196. That is the answer. Okay guys. Okay guys, the third part of this question is find HCF of 867 and 255. So here, since 867 is greater than 255, so using Euclid's algorithm, that is A equals BQ plus R, we have in place of A 867 equals, write the smaller number 255 into what? We have to find out the same way. Okay guys, so here you have to divide 867 by 255. Okay guys, so here following the normal division method, we will have 255 3s are 765. The remainder will be 102. So remainder is not 0 here. So we shall have to write here 255 into 3. You can see here 255 into 3 plus 102 as remainder. You have to write here, since remainder is not equal to 0, therefore we have to go to next step. Next step is kicking this 867 out and calling this 255 in place of 867 and asking the remainder to divide. This 255 here. So you can do like this, 102 will divide 255. So it will go 2 times 204, and 5 minus 4 1, then 51. So again the guys remainder is not 0. So what you have to do? Again 102 into 2. You can see here 102 into 2 plus remainder 51. So write again here, since remainder is not equal to 0, so kick this 255 out and call 102 in its place and ask 51 to divide 102. You can see clearly here it is 51 2 za 102, remainder is 0. So 51 here 2 za, 2 za 102 plus 0. So guys, here the which is the last divisor here, it is last divisor, see. So write here something like what you wrote in the last question. Since last divisor is 51, therefore HCF of 867 and 255 is how much? 51. This is the answer. Okay guys. Guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe it, like, share and give comments and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video with the next question. Thank you.